You know who it is, your boy Darius.
Welcome to
my world. So hopefully you guys are doing well, and hopefully all is well with you. And if you click on this video wondering how to perfectly or curve your brim, well, I'm going to explain it in this video, but please make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you any value. So let's jump right into it. Now, all of you guys are familiar with baseball caps, so we're not gonna get into it, but there's also different types. So we got the fitted hat, basically means that there is one size for a specific size. So I suggest check out lids to find out your right fitment. So this is what it's gonna look like in the back. So that is a fitted hat. Then you have your snapback, which basically is a one size fit all. Like Tiger said, snapback back. You guys know what it is already. So this is what it looks like right here. Your dad hat is basically like a snapback where it's adjustable. However, the only difference is that it's a little bit smaller on how it looks, and it has a different fitment to it. Like what Jazzy Jeff did, where you grab the hat and you bend the hat and you twist the hat and you da-da-da-da-da. Like, I'm not gonna
break down. First you grab the hat, then you grip the hat, then you flip the hat. Make sure it's a starter hat. Then you raise
do all of that. But well, I'm gonna just show you how I get the curve on my hat. You guys can see how it's bent and it fits my head shape. What you want to do essentially is you grab the hat like so, then you kind of bend it like this just to get a base. That's what you want. You want a base for the hat. After that, you put 2 rubber bands just to hold it in place, because that's what you want to do. You want it to hold in place, all right? And then just keep it on there for a few days and it should be all right. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, smash the like button, beat it up like Mike Tyson. Also hit the subscribe button. This is your boy Darius D, signing off once again. So just chill till the next video, because your boy